Samsung has officially introduced its latest lineup of foldable smartphones, featuring Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and the premium Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. These three models cover the compact flip design, the wider foldable experience, and the ultimate large-screen foldable. Let's take a closer look at what each one brings to the table.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
We'll start with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. Samsung has refined the design even further, making the phone slimmer and more comfortable to carry. When folded, it measures just 13.1 millimeters thick, and once opened, it's only 6.1 millimeters thick. At only 180 grams, it's impressively lightweight, making it one of the most portable foldables around. The outer display has grown to 4.1 inches, and Samsung has added even more useful features to it. You can quickly check daily updates, stay on top of your schedule, answer calls, read messages, and even enjoy short-form videos without opening the phone, making the cover screen much more practical than before. Open the device and you'll find a spacious 6.9-inch main display with a 1080 by 2520 resolution and a smooth, adaptive 120Hz refresh rate for a premium viewing experience. Even with its ultra-slim profile, Samsung has increased the battery capacity to 4,300 mAh, giving users longer battery life. Charging support includes 25-watt wired fast charging along with 15-watt wireless charging. For photography, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy platform, combined with 12 GB of RAM, delivering flagship-level performance in a compact foldable form factor. Samsung is offering the Flip 8 in shadow gray, cloud silver, sweet pink, and an exclusive cyan green finish, giving younger users plenty of stylish color choices. Now let's move on to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, Samsung's latest book-style foldable. The cover display measures 5.5 inches with a sharp 428 ppi pixel density, supports a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and features a 10:16 aspect ratio. Once unfolded, the phone transforms into a large 7.6-inch display with a 4:3 aspect ratio, a resolution of 1848 by 2448, and a crisp 403 ppi pixel density. Just like the outer screen, the inner display also supports an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung has upgraded the internal display with a new shock-absorbing layer that helps minimize the appearance of the crease while improving long-term durability. The panel also comes with an anti-reflective coating and reaches up to 3,000 nits of peak brightness, making it much easier to view even under bright outdoor lighting. Software optimization has also improved significantly. Around 94% of the top 200 popular apps are now fully optimized for the foldable display, allowing most applications to run in full screen without distracting black bars. Whether you're watching movies, enjoying short videos, reading articles, or switching between portrait and landscape orientation, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 delivers a seamless large-screen experience. Samsung has also made major improvements to the phone's design. The Fold 8 is only 9.7 millimeters when folded and an incredibly slim 4.5 millimeters when unfolded. Weighing just 201 grams, it currently stands as the thinnest and lightest Galaxy Fold smartphone Samsung has ever released. When compared with Huawei's previously released wide-style foldable, Samsung still maintains an edge when it comes to the overall size of the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM, while the highest-end configuration upgrades to 16 GB. The phone packs a 4,800 mAh battery and supports 45-watt wired fast charging as well as 15-watt wireless charging. For photography, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera alongside a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, providing more than enough performance for everyday photography. It also allows users to capture photos and videos using both the front and rear cameras at the same time, and it supports recording in stunning 8K resolution. Samsung is offering the Fold 8 in soft purple, cloud white, eyeshadow gray, and an exclusive spring green finish. Each color has a premium look and gives the device a sophisticated appearance. Now, let's move on to Samsung's flagship foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. The Fold 8 Ultra features a 6.5-inch cover display that expands into a massive 8-inch screen when unfolded. Just like the Fold 8, it uses a shock-absorbing display structure together with an anti-reflective coating, delivering an impressive viewing experience with enhanced durability. Its larger display is perfect for multitasking, allowing two apps to run side by side with ease. Users can also customize how parallel windows are displayed, making the Fold 8 Ultra an excellent choice for productivity and office work. Samsung has made the Fold 8 Ultra even slimmer and lighter than the previous generation. It measures only 8.9 mm when folded and an incredibly thin 4.1 mm when unfolded, while weighing just 215 grams. The refined design makes it more comfortable to hold despite its large screen. Even with the thinner body, Samsung has increased the battery capacity to 5,000 mAh. The device supports 45-watt wired charging along with 15-watt wireless charging, helping it stay powered throughout the day. Performance is equally impressive. The Fold 8 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor and comes with 12 GB of RAM as standard, while the top-tier version offers 16 GB of memory for even greater performance. The camera system is one of the biggest highlights of the Fold 8 Ultra. It features a 200-megapixel main camera that captures higher resolution images, while Samsung has further improved image stabilization and low-light photography for sharper and clearer results. For video creators, the Fold 8 Ultra also supports cinematic LUTs along with 4 built-in cinematic presets, making it easier to produce videos with a more professional movie-style look. Samsung is offering the Fold 8 Ultra in a stylish matte purple finish, while Samsung has also introduced upgraded AI-enhanced versions of Ultra Clear White, Eyeshadow Gray, and the exclusive Pine Green color options. Samsung has also expanded its AI capabilities. Whenever you see something on the screen that you want to search for, simply activate the AI feature. The phone can automatically recognize the content being displayed, predict what you're looking for, and let you complete a quick search with a single tap without needing to manually highlight anything. In addition, the AI can generate summaries, create documents, copy web page links, and perform several other smart tasks, making everyday use even more efficient and convenient. That wraps up our overview of Samsung's latest foldable lineup. With the Galaxy Z Flip 8, Galaxy Z Fold 8, and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, Samsung now offers a complete range of foldable smartphones designed to meet different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a compact flip phone, a versatile book-style foldable, or the ultimate large-screen flagship, Samsung's newest foldable family has an option that's likely to fit your lifestyle.